Hello. So in this video, let us see how we can solve the NPPE questions. So this will be split into multiple videos. In this first one, we'll simply see how we can get access to the NPPE questions. So you can see when you first log in into the virtual machine, you are currently situated in your home directory or the tilde, which is /home/your roll number. Please make sure you always create your solutions inside this folder and not somewhere else. So here you can see we don't have any other file or folder other than the readme file. So the first step is to create a folder called SE2001. We create folders using the mkdir command. So we create a folder called SE2001. Make sure to only do this if you already don't have the folder. If you do already have it, then you don't have to create the folder. Once you create the folder will be present, and now you can go inside the folder. Remember, we can use cd to go inside a folder. Now you can see that you are in home your roll number /SE2001. It is very important that all the solutions are present inside this folder, inside subfolders of each problem's name, and not in /OPPE. So this folder will initially be empty. Now you have to create the folder for each question. So how do we know name of the NPPE questions? We can see those in the /OPT. So I can do ls/OPT/SE2001. So here you can see all the questions that we have. So make sure you're not creating anything inside the /OPT, you just see the names from there. So now you can see these are the names. So now that we are in the home /SE2001, here we need to make the directories. So I'll just make the directories with these names of the folders. So you can put multiple arguments to mkdir and it will create all the folders which you ask it to create. So you don't have to run 6 different mkdirs, you can just give all the names here itself. So now you can see in your, so if you are in your home directory /SE2001, and here you have all the NPPE folders. Now you're supposed to go inside each of the questions one by one, whichever you want to do first. So let's go to section 1, problem 1, and notice how I filled in this. So I did not type the entire thing, I just pressed tab, or I typed the first letter N and then press tab. So it will fill till as much as possible, and then here we have a difference. Some questions have 1 and some have 2. So here now it cannot autofill, I have to specify I want to go into section 1. Then again I can press tab and it will autofill till problem, and then again I have to mention which problem. So then I can press enter, and now I am inside that folder. So make sure you're inside your home directory is SE2001 / the name of the problem. So if the name is exactly correct as given in OPT, then you can use the synchro show command. So this will show you the question of that. So you can see the NPPE section 1 problem 1, you can see the question, and you have to write a script, so that you have to create in this folder itself, not in /OPT, in your home directory. So here you have to create the script, and once you have done that and it is correct, then you can do synchro eval to see whether your submission is correct or not. So if you don't create the script, you will get this failure. So in the next videos, we'll see how to solve each of the question one by one.